Good morning, my dear candidates. Let me tell you, in the SSB, out of the three assessment techniques, that is the interview technique, the GTO technique, and the psychological technique, interview technique is one of the most important technique. Why? Who is going to interview you guys? Either it is the president, the deputy president, or a senior interviewing officer who's very experienced. And let me tell you, they assess all your 15 qualities and they give you grades, or we call them ticks and marks. They give you grades in that, guys.
Download the SSB SureShot app from Google Play Store to access courses for written exams like NDA, CDS and FCAT. You can also find courses for SSB Personality Development and Spoken English. Apply the coupon code SIGNUP15 to get 15% off on your first purchase. Call us on 725-930-7111 for any queries.
So, on the candidate's request, similarly, SSB SureShot Academy has taken this onerous task. I have with me, besides me, there are 3 brigadiers who are doing this interview, and they have been the presidents of the board. Where will you get such efficient and experienced kind of faculty, guys? So we do conduct online interviews. In fact, there is a long line of candidates seeking their interview. My advice to you is, please book your interview on time. You should book it minimum 20 days in advance, and preferably before you go for the SSB, you should get this interview done around 45 days to 2 months before to get the maximum benefit. Some of you just give the interview 4 to 5 days before the SSB. I will not recommend that, though my officers have been taking such kind of interviews as well. Now today you are going to see a feedback. Guys, what we do in this interview? This interview is a complete assessment of your personality. The kind of feedback you will get it in this interview is virtually nowhere you can get. Your whole personality, including all your 15 officer-like qualities, are assessed in that. Me or my officers, whoever you opt for the interview, will give you the grading in each officer-like qualities, where exactly you stand. We will also give you marks out of 225, whether you pass or not, whether you cross 90 marks or not. Where do you stand? Which all qualities you got to work, how you can improve your OLQs. The feedback is the most important. So guys, in this video, like numerous other videos, I have given a feedback to a candidate. Listen to it.
Okay, VP Sharma, I interviewed you exactly the way you are going to be interviewed in the SSB. The same way I interviewed you, and I have assessed all your 15 qualities. Remember, in the SSB, they have their marking system, which is based on ticks and marks, but I'm going to mark you the way you will understand. It is similar. So I'm going to give you 4 gradings in all 15 officer-like qualities. Okay? I'm going to give you grades, and I will give you 4 grades. They are generally on the lines of the ticks which you give in the SSB. Okay? That's very complicated. You will not understand that. So, yeah. How you performed in each officer-like qualities. I will give you 4 grades. The first grade is pass, means you are absolutely passed in that quality. Second is you are average. Average means you have managed to pass, but a lot of scope for improvement. Third is borderline. Borderline means you have failed, but you are close to border. And fourth is fail. Absolutely. Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
Coming to factor 1, first please, affective intelligence. My God, you tried your best to fail in that. You remember so many chances I gave you for small things. You are not able to practically utilize your mind, but it doesn't mean that you do not have the practical mind. I think the nervousness and the anxiety took
Yes.
better of you. Later on, you could
Yes.
answer all those simple practical questions. Okay, so I'm passing you with an average grading, though you have tried your best to fail in that, but I have passed
Yes.
you.
Yes.
You got it?
Yes,
So
sir.
you understood now why I was asking you these questions.
Yes, sir.
Now, the second is reasoning ability. You are reasonably good provided you don't come under pressure. So again, I'm passing you with an average grading.
Yes, sir.
The third is organizing ability, the way you organize various things and the way you organize your own thoughts, the way you organize your own life. I will pass you that, okay? Clear cut. Next is power of expression. My dear Vibhu Sharma, though your communication is very good, but I'm not happy with your power of expression.
Yes,
You
sir.
know, the flow is missing in spite of your such good English. The flow is not there. Sometimes you are
Yes.
not to the point. And why do you stop so many times? You use this, uh, uh, when you speak, how many times you use this, you start thinking. That is not a good thing. You better have a flow. What is
Yes,
there in
sir.
that?
Yes, sir.
So you better this part you have to improve, but your communication is good, your knowledge of the English is good. So you are average. You need to improve your power of communication, which you understand very well. Power of communication is different from communication. It
Yes, sir.
is your ability to communicate confidently, precisely, to the point with good body language.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
and speaking to a human being. See, your
Yes, sir.
body language now is so good. You are smiling also, your facial expressions also, you are moving your head also. But when you come
Yes,
under
sir.
pressure, you become a robot.
Yes, sir.
So it should not be there, because
Yes, sir.
so otherwise I have passed you in that also. Factor two. Now factor two is reasonably good. Okay. As far as social adaptability is concerned, I will put you average. You are slightly shy, you are slightly mild, you don't freely mix up with the people, you do not take the first step. Okay,
Okay.
so it is average, but it's not bad, it's average. Your cooperation, you are very good, you are pass. Sense of responsibility, you are a very responsible man, you are pass. Factor three, initiative, as I told you, you are average. Self confidence, you see this, you displayed it very well, but you get bogged down when you are put under pressure, your confidence shakes.
Yeah.
You remember?
Yeah.
So that is what should not happen.
Yes.
And when you come under pressure, then the mind also is not able to think.
Yeah.
Okay, even
Yes.
a calculation like 3 into 4 into 5 becomes so difficult
Yes.
to calculate. So don't come. Idea is not to come under pressure. What you have to learn is remaining calm and cool. Okay, so your confidence, I'm passing you with an average grading. Your speed of decision is reasonably okay. Okay,
Yes,
though
sir.
you take little time, so I will pass you with the average grading. Your ability to influence the group, I'm not happy with it. Vibhu Sharma. See
Yes,
this
sir.
ability to influence the group depends on your confidence,
Yes, sir.
depends on your power of expression, depends on your knowledge. So which is
Yes, sir.
knowledge part is missing, is less. So here is the first thing I'm failing you with
Yes.
a borderline remark. First quality you have not passed. So you are a borderliner in that. Slightly you got to work.
Yes.
Liveliness, okay, you are reasonably lively, and I'm going to pass you with an average grading. Okay.
Okay.
Factor four. As far as determination is concerned, yes, I will pass you. Okay, you're gradually becoming more determined, gradually becoming more determined. Okay, I'm okay. Courage, I will grant you as average. Physical fitness, you look average, though you say you are physically fit, but
Yes,
I
sir.
find you slightly overweight. You may not be, but I'm passing you with an average grade. Look at this, out of 225, my dear Shama, you have done reasonably well, but you are just short of passing. I will give you 89 marks. You are 1 mark short of clear cut. It's mainly because of your ability to influence the group.
Influence.
If you improve your general awareness, knowledge about the armed forces, because you hardly have, that sound knowledge. See, because of that, I can see your passion and motivation is working.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
so my quick recall, whatever I have written about you. See, I've written Vibhu Sharma is a smart boy, but lacks good power of expression. I have explained to you. He lacks confidence because he tends to come under pressure. Okay, he is not sure of himself. You better be sure about himself. You got to be little more bold. Boldness is lacking. A bold person will always be sure of himself. Okay,
Yes, sir.
be bold and also be little assertive. Sometimes you are a bit mild and a bit soft. Perhaps you have, I shouldn't repeat that. So you have been under some kind of, you are an independent man now. Okay?
Yes, sir.
You listen to the question properly. Okay? And थोड़ा सा आपका focus and concentration gets mixed up when you tend to come under pressure. You are not able to even comprehend the question.
Yes,
So see this, how important it is to, my advice is to maintain your calmness and coolness even under pressure. If you do
Yes,
this, there is no problem. Okay? You are a wonderful human being otherwise. Your factor 2 is very good. You are very helping, very cooperative, highly dedicated, very well-meaning boy, very honest and truthful. There is no doubt in your character, in your human qualities. You are so helpful. I can make out that. Okay? Don't call yourself time and again you are an average boy. Hurry, who says you are average here? You categorize yourself as a very average. Okay? You are a fairly intelligent boy. You are an achiever. You have done so well. You are doing so well. Okay? Don't call yourself every time like that. Okay?
yes,
Overall is reasonably good. You need to work on your personality. You are on the right lines now. If you keep these things which I have just told you, oh my God, you are going to give me a good news.
yes,
Any
definitely.
question you have, you can ask me.
Sir, being a fresher, I mean, for the first timer, that things comes in mind and which actually makes me pressurize. How to tackle it?
I will tell you, my dear. Oh my God, you are lucky. You don't know how lucky you are because you are going for the first time. First chance is a golden chance, guy. Remember this. First chance is a golden chance. Had you been
Yes.
repeated, the pressure will mount more on you.
Yes,
First time you are going, remember my advice. Remember my advice that you should go like a tiger, like a man who's bold, like a
yes,
man
sir.
who's very confident, like a man who is not bothered about the result. Don't worry about the result. Don't think about your performance. Just think only one thing, that you are going to give your best.
Yes,
Don't worry about the result.
yes,
If
sir.
you give your best, I can guarantee you'll pass. If you overthink about your performance, what will happen? If you become result conscious, result oriented, there will be a problem in you. Your confidence will go down. It will shake.
Yes,
So
sir.
just think that Vibhu Sharma is going to give his best. That is my advice to you. Give your best. Don't worry about anything. Anything else.
No, nothing else.
Okay, God bless you, Vibhu Sharma. So
Thank
go
you. Thank you, sir.
like a tiger. Okay, all the best. God bless.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
sir.
Bye-bye.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you. Bye.
If you want a feedback like that, which is thorough, comprehensive, which brings out every officer-like quality of yours and where you stand in that officer-like quality, you will be told how you can improve your personality, because every person is unique, every person is different, every person is a different mix or balance of qualities. So every personality has to be dealt in a different manner, and that's why me and my officers are trained in. So guys, after this you can opt and call up in the number below and ask for the interview of any of my officers, and you will be given a thorough 1 hour plus interview time, and your whole personality will get assessed. God bless and all the best. Remember, interview is life transforming or personality transforming event, because you are told where you stand as far as the SSB is concerned. All the best. Bye bye.